Rain falling, breeze blowing, place dark like blackout, and me here single lonely. I watch you water drip like heartbreak on the window glass. Couples cuddling, and me, I dip on WhatsApp sending a stranger. Chicken waiting for block start. Me wrap up in a blanket, drinking bush tea, scrolling Facebook. Everybody boot up but me, boring like cat and dog. But I hear no meow, no barking, no romance, not even a cow. Just thunder clapping like it vexed bad. I'm me talking to myself like I got mud. Rain falling and I all alone. No cuddle body, no sweet honeycomb. While them lovers get cozy and kissing up strong, and they counting raindrops and singing. Rain falling, a lot of grace, like the sky crying for me and me lonely face. When it rain it pour, but nothing me get, only thunder, lightning, and emotional pain. The breezy blow me cutting like it one hug me. Even Alexa say you okay, buddy? I light a candle for vibes, now the light gone too. So me cuddle with me pillow, it's up but it blue. The couples posting Netflix and chill out, watching raindrop race on the windowsill. One friend text say come outside, let's dance in the rain. But with me luck, me go slip and mash me brain. Rain falling, and I all alone. No color body, no sweet honeycomb. While them lovers get cozy and kissing up strong, and they counting raindrops and singing sad songs. Rain falling, a lot of grace, like the sky crying for me and me lonely face. When it rain it pour, but nothing me get, only thunder, lightning, and emotional pain. Yeah. Next day rain does wash away all dirtiness. Will carry away my stress. Me extension human Verman too, yes. I tried manifesting love by dancing in the rain, but instead I get sneeze and a belly pain. I'm praying for sunshine and maybe a date, not thunder that sound like Judgment Gate. Couples inside, kissing up sweet, and meet them long tea, watching me on bait. Rain falling, then I all alone. No colored body, no sweet honeycomb. While them lovers get cozy and kissing up strong, and they counting raindrops and singing sad songs. Rain falling, a lot of grace, like the sky crying for me and me lonely face. When it rain it pour, but nothing me gain, only thunder, lightning, and emotional pain. Next time rain falling, I going by my neighbor. She got 3 cat, 2 dog, and she always cooking pepper pot. Better to smell meat than smell me on tears.